This quick video tutorial will show you how to create an animated, handwritten signature on Canva. In the first part, create a new design with dimensions of 400 pixels by 100 pixels. Then, write your name for the signature. In our example, I will write Thomas Mitchell. In the next step, add the text font. The caveat option is a good choice. Next, apply an animation to the text. The animation typewriter option is ideal for our final result. Finally, download the image in GIF format. So, with the image, you can add it to your email signature.